Hi, I'm Nicholas Cox, conference producer at The Manufacturer, responsible for the Industrial Blockchain Exchange taking place on the 11th of April in London. Now, as you know, blockchain technology and distributed ledger has been used for many years within finance. Now, manufacturing businesses are looking at the potential applications of this technology within their businesses to help them visualize their supply chain and get more transparency along their procurement and operations channels. This event taking place on the 11th of April is an opportunity for manufacturing businesses to come together with technology companies that are looking at blockchain to understand the potential applications and overcome some of the misconceptions about what this technology can and cannot offer. We're working with a series of high value manufacturing businesses, Rolls-Royce, Nissan, Jaguar Land Rover, Gripple, all going to be there on hand to talk about the ways that they see the technology being transformative in their business. One of our partners for the event is the Digital Catapult, and we're proud to be able to offer their report, Blockchain in Action, State of the UK Market, as a downloadable asset for you to understand a little bit more about what this technology can and can't do. And I hope you can join us on the 11th of April to learn more from your peers about what this tech can offer you as a business. For more information and to download the full report, click the link in the description below.